what's up, YouTubers? This is the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a fun tune, Santa Monica by Everclear. And this is acoustic take on that. So we're in G major. 1, 2, 3, standard tuning. We got a D in there. Got a C in there. And then we got some stuff going on, but I'm gonna talk. That's the main chords. We got some other things happening, but all right. So remember how we play G like this for this song. We want to go G 2 more times. And just lift up your third finger and make that a quick E. Down, 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 down. G, G, E, E, G, G. G, D, E, E, G, G. Okay, and then we have D. And they do go to an E there, but it's a little bit hard to do that playing this position. If you want to grab just that note. So D, D, or just stay on D. And then C, 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 A. Same rhythm. So just lift up your third finger, and then we got an A. Second verse. C, 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 A, A, G, 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 E, G. Back to D. D, E, A, C, C, A, G, G, E, G. Chorus, C major. And now for this we're gonna start strumming, so we can go down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, D major. Let's hit the chorus, come on. C, down, down, up, down, up, Santa Monica. What a cool song. So let's review everything. We got 2 parts. We got the verses. G, 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 E, E, G, 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 E, E, D, D, D D D D C C C C A A G G. Okay. And then we got the chorus. C major to G major and D major and G. And the strumming there was down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. Cool. Thanks for tuning in, folks. I'll see you tomorrow with more cool songs. Be safe. Thank you.